Hello everyone, my name is Ashley Norton and I want to demonstrate to you one of the technology support or assists that we use in kindergarten to help our children with literacy skills. And one of them that we use is called Lalilo. As you can see here on the screen, we have Lalilo Foundational Reading Literacy Skills Program. This is something that my students in my kindergarten classroom use every day for 20 minutes each day. And so I'm going to walk you through very quickly of some of the things that we use to help our kids, my students in the classroom. So this is what we use. So it consists of a line to the science of reading for it. So we have the phonics, which consists of learning the letters and sounds. And once they have mastered letters and sounds, we move on to sight and high frequency words. And so once we learn how those letters and sounds now can be applied to learning how to tap those sounds, letter sounds, and blending them together to create a word. And so now we move on to word families. And in the word families, it can consist of matching words. So we can find the word wall and its matching card. And once you find the matching card, it'll give you a green ding. So let's demonstrate one really quick about preview exercise. So let's do one of them right now for word families.
Click on the cards. Find the words that match.
So here we go. We have wall. Wall and small don't match. Okay, so let's try this one. Stall. Stall. They match. Now we have wall and wall. They match. Now we have small and small. They match. And then we have hall and wall. As you can see, I have mastered this skill. So now I get to move on to the next level. So as I come out of that, now they've gone down to comprehension. So in the comprehension, it gives them a little story or sentence to them, just like this. So let's do a test.
This is a book that will be read to you as you follow along. You will answer questions as you read.
On My Way to Kindergarten by Wendy Donner. In this book, you will come along with me as I wake up and get myself to kindergarten.
You will see these words in the book. Click on each word to hear it read. Then click the arrow to move on.
Heap. A mixed up pile.
As you can see, it gives you questions for each one of the stories. So if we were to go to the home button.
Hello. To log in, write the code of your...
Then we will move on to grammar and conventions. And in grammar and conventions, they're learning how to take what they've learned from the phonics steps to the high frequency words. Now we call them trick words and word families, and then the comprehension from the story. So now this time we're going to take that practice that they learned along the way, and now they need to master these critical skills for reading success, which consist of grammar, practice, and using those skills that they now can apply when they're reading a text. And so each time that they do well, they get a great job. There's also a reward system in Lalilo that each time they'll get rewarded with stars and different things. And so each time they master, but the difficult thing about it is we want to make sure that our students are listening and applying those skills while they're reading. So then when it comes to reading a text in class, they're able to apply those skills as well. So thank you for joining me today and learning about Lalilo, and I hope you learned something and enjoy your time.